Hey, welcome back to another recording. Um, since my last one kind of messed up, I want to redo it. So we are redoing the STG merch unboxing. I mean, I didn't necessarily put it back in the box, but you you get it. You get it. So we're gonna start off with this one, the Share Smile in white. Let's see, set this down real quick. Because got something on the back. Trying to, there you go. There you go. It says share a smile. It says share a smile. So got that. And also what I got, because I love the Japanese culture, is I got me the cherry blossom skull shirt. Look at that. Cool design to me. Shout out to whoever designed that for real. Next, we got one of my favorites, the STG hoodie, the rose. Get that all spread out there. Yeah, got the hoodie. It's so comfortable, man. It's not like a material because I ordered some things from another website, and what they sent me, bro, it was like tissue paper turned into pants. Y'all gotta do better. This is better. So we got that, the SPG rose, and then my absolute favorite, because this was one of the original logos, is the SCG family hoodie. Yay! Yay! Community. So yeah, we got those, and like I said, the material is just amazing. It's thick material. It's pretty solid, and there's some nice stitching in it. It looks like the embroidery is top notch too, for real. And the logo on the shirt doesn't wipe off, so so that's all good. Yes, sir. And as a fan of STG, Simple the God, for a few years now, I wanted to go in and, show my support and give back, you know what I'm saying? Because she has helped me through a lot of my life, especially when it came to addiction and just the overall entertainment portion that I needed to get by, you know. Not the only one, but this is for Simba. Thank you. I really do appreciate you, my G. STG4LW, Simba the God for life. What? No. Just to make up something for that W. W content creator, W community, W family. STG.